So, as you are starting your presentation, you do have a template slides here on PowerPoint, but you can also be able to turn it into a Google slide if necessary. So, the first one, you want to create your title page. You want to include your name, the class block, because this is in block 2 and block 4 for web design. So you want to be able to create that title page with your name. Also, you want to create an acronym for tech and type the words into the white boxes here. And then this is directions. This is just, again, a template so it can help you organize how you're going to present and complete your web page on your female tech that you admire. So to start out, you have all of the directions here. Each section has all of the directions, but I'm actually going to read just a little bit so that you can get familiar, have an understanding as well. So, the quote, you want to research a quote from the individual that you have chosen, and you want to type it, and I'm going to show you um, a template that you can use as well. You want to put the education for this section. You're just going to explain the type of education, the school, the experience that this person had, how many years of education, even if it goes back to elementary school, middle school, high school, did they go to college? If so, for how long? What kind of degrees did they end up receiving? So that is that section here. And then their personal life. In the personal life, obviously, it is selected by you. So this section, you want to research the personal life of the individual. Here are some examples. Where were they raised? Important events that went on in their life. Maybe some things that were going on in the world when they were going through life, what type of jobs that they had, if they ever, maybe got married, had children, had dogs, pets. And then also you would want to put in their birthday of the individual, the month, date, and year, if you have it, and then the date that they passed, so that they passed away, if that is the case for the person that you have. If the individual is still alive, please just simply state that they are alive, living and well, right? And I am going to go to, let's see here, their contributions in tech. So you want to include any projects, any discoveries, um, things that they may created, maybe a business in tech. We would like to know that, and anything that they contribute to the business part of this world. Also, how is this individual contributions to tech used today? For instance, Steve Jobs, God rest his soul, we're still using the creation that he contributed to. And then just 3 interesting facts about the individual. So this section, just research those 3 interesting facts that you would like to share about that individual, and probably many other people don't know as well. Where did they live? So research what part of the world this individual lived. And again, this is a direction page. Um, you can actually delete this when you're done, or you can just actually skip it um, for your presentation. And then you have to search for a picture for the website. Remember that you have to have at least 2 images. one in particular, there is a URL link that has been given to you, and I'm going to go back to um, that Excel spreadsheet that is available to you, and you have that for your website. And that second picture can be maybe of the contributions, maybe where they live. So this is an example. You can definitely, if by chance you're doing Alice Ball, you have a clear page here where you can definitely put the edits in here. I have Alice Ball. I have Katherine Johnson, Ada Lovelace, Mae Jameson, which I have seen some students choose her. We have Dr. Wu, Shirley Ann Jackson, Hayat Cindy, Betty Holberton, Grace Hopper, Hypatia, Maggie Gee, and Cylon Wu. So these, oh, and Wan Z. So definitely we have some examples here. Um, as I had mentioned, I do want to share um, the link to the Excel spreadsheet. And basically, this gives you options. There's 68. So each person that is on here, if you look, it gives the name. So you have the name of the person, and also it tells you if this person is still alive. Also, you get to get a photo URL, which is very helpful, saves you a step with your coding. And then also there's a website for each and every one of them that you can actually go in and check out. In addition, there is like a short 1 to 2 sentence bio. Again, if you're going to use this, you're going to have to reference it. So make sure that you know exactly where it came from. It probably came from the website. So you want to make sure you code the source. Remember how we learn how to code program at the bottom, the source, the URL, where you got the information from. So I am super excited to see the finished product of your assignment. This is your Unit 3 assessment. If you need support, of course, reach out. I am glad to see you during office hours, and good luck.